Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to clear Roblox cache on iPad. To clear Roblox cache on iPad or to offload it, you can actually use the same general ideas on Android. Since both systems handled by this, removing the app data will keep your account intact. On your iPad, go to Settings, tap General, and open iPad or iPhone Storage where you'll see a list of installed apps. Find Roblox in the list app. Tap it, and then select Offload App, which removes the app's cache data and frees up storage without deleting your login information. After that, you can reinstall it from the App Store, and everything will work like before, just cleaner and refreshed data. On Android, the process is very similar, but instead, you go to Settings, Apps, select Roblox, and either clear cache directly or uninstall and reinstall the app for the same effect. This method is useful when the game is lagging, loading slowly, or showing storage related issues, since it essentially resets temporary files without affecting your account progress. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.